Hello all, today I'll go through the VLOOKUP function which is present in the Microsoft Excel. It is mainly used to copy data from other Excel sheet or the same Excel sheet but in other tab. So it is mainly used when there are like number of records are more and need to verify the particular value from one Excel to and verify it in other Excel. And this is the great function, so I'll start with it. So here we have two XLS, one is department and other one is employee. So in employee we have two main columns, that is employee ID and other one is employee name. And in department sheet we have three columns, one is department, other one is employee ID and third one is employee name, which I kept blank. So suppose we need the employee name of the employee IDs, so in that case what we'll do, we will use the VLOOKUP. So I'll write the VLOOKUP function. So we need to write it first like equal to sign, then VLOOKUP. Also while writing the VLOOKUP you will see the description of the VLOOKUP functionality, and we'll start the bracket, then it will show the format of the VLOOKUP function. So first we need the lookup value nothing but the identifier which we need to match with the other XLS. So in this case we have employee ID, so we'll select the employee ID, then we put the comma as mentioned in the format. Then we need the table array nothing but the data source from where we need to verify and copy the data. So we will select the data source, and you will see like in employee XLS also you will see that function mentioned here. So so we will select the table array. So the rule is there that like the first column should be the identifier. You can't use the other column which has which is not the identifier, which we selected at the first place in the VLOOKUP functionality. So we selected employee ID, then employee name, and we select all the records in that data source. Once we put the table array, we need to mention the column index number. Column index number means the sequence of the column in that particular data source. Here we selected employee ID at first place, and second place it will be employee name. So we will write employee name, as we need the employee name in the other table, other XLS. So once we done that, there will be two options, one is true and other one is false. True means the approximate match as it mentioned in the XLS, and false means the exact match. So in this case we need the exact match only, and most of the time we need the exact match only, as we are looking for the mainly for the exact match only. So I'll write it down false here. Once you done that, we need to close the bracket and enter it. So here you will see the name auto populated here based on the VLOOKUP function we write. To copy this VLOOKUP function for the other records, we can easily drag it till the end. You can also copy and paste it. So once you done that, you will see the name of the other employees also here. So this is how you can populate it. The main problem is here that like if you delete the other file, that employee file, the values will get disappeared. Also, if you need to share this department XLS to other one by using the email or like by any other way, if you only send this file only, then in that case also it will employee name will get disappeared, as because like this reference to the employee Excel sheet will not be there in others people's machine. So in that case what we will do, to avoid that, we will copy all the cell values, cell data, and paste again there only with paste special and values. So what it will done, it will remove the VLOOKUP function, and it will paste the values only. So this is the way we can avoid that issue. Hope you got what you want from me. Thanks a lot.